Okay, what's up guys? This is my first time recording a map, so yeah. This is my first time recording a YouTube video. Well, not my first time. I actually do YouTube videos with my friend. His channel is Spirit Wolf. So yeah. But I'm here at Funland 3. I never played 1 and 2. But I may play that soon. I don't know. Maybe really old, but whatever. Try parkour like a boss, but I did not. So let's go. Okay. It's very laggy as well. There's just a random holes in there. So what's in here? Bed. Cool. Also spot and creative mode. So yeah, let's turn cheats on. Survival. There we go. Turn cheats off. Perfect. I should have made it that it's always day, but whatever. So what should I do first? Whatever comes first. So what is this? M. Let's see what this is. Hopefully it's a full place. Nope, just seems like a... Oh, it's one of those things that take you around the park. Okay, but I don't need to take that right now, so... Let's keep Bushford. So we have some rides right here. What is this? Ferris wheel? Y'all know Ferris wheels don't work here, so there's no bother in getting them, but... I'm gonna act like it. Wee! Yeah, whatever. So what is this? Okay, this leads to down here. Hopefully we don't need to get our own minecarts. They have minecarts here for us. Now, I really do think I'm going to need food for this map. Because I was flying over this just to see how big it was. And it was pretty big. So, yeah. I'm lagging so bad. I'm kind of just looking for... Okay, let's just see where this ride starts and let's get on it. So let's keep walking. Just keep walking. What is this place? This is a maze. So let's do this. Yay. I seriously hate mazes. Oh my god, my eyes hurt. I may have to leave this maze. Because mazes, like glass really hurts my eyes for some reason. Oh my god. Holy crap. This is so... I ended up in the middle of nowhere. Now in the corner. Oh, wait, it's this way. Go. No, I just dropped all the way back down. Okay, so there are holes in the map, like there. Okay. Really hard to see where you're going in the mirror maze. I have no idea where we're supposed to be going. I kind of really do not want to do this, but I will have to break some parts. So I just hate mazes like this. Oh, okay, so I see where we have to go. But it's just like this way. I can see the way we have to go. But do we go around this way? I'm going around this way. We get it. Oh wait, I'm making serious progress. Make serious progress here. This way. Okay. This way. Oh god, there's a... Haha, very funny. I see that. Trying to get me, but you didn't. Oh my god, I hate mirror mazes. Well, not mirror mazes, glass mazes. Oh my god, I can't... My game cannot take this. I cannot take this anymore. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't deal with this. It's too much pressure for me. It's too much. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm out of here. Please don't tell me there's another one. Please don't tell me there's another one. There is. I'm breaking my way out again. There's an absolute another one. Okay. Okay. This one is actually easier. No holes in the ground or nothing. But I just went the wrong way after saying it's easy. Okay, this way. This way. The wrong way again. Ooh, this way. Okay, we got frustrated. I may break a block. Wait, this way. My eyes really hurting. I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. My eyes are killing me. Holy crap. Ow, my eyes. Okay. Okay. Wait a second. You go up right here. There we go. Go up right here. Go down. You go right back up. You go over and over. Oh my god, are we really going right back up? Are we going back up to that freaking maze? There are holes in the map. If I fought through one, I'm going to be so mad. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm doing it. I need to find a way out of here. Can't take this anymore. My eyes are killing me. You know what? This is my video. I'm really, I want to put on peaceful as well. So nothing can spawn in. Can't take this. I'm just gonna edit this part out actually. Well, okay. My game had lagged, so I had to quit. Sorry, creator. You made a terrible maze that hurts people's eyes, mainly mine. I'm never going back in here, ever. I'm gonna get out of that death trap. I'm just gonna get out of that death trap. It's a death trap for your eyes. I'm telling you now. Okay, I put it on peaceful so nothing can spawn in. I really want to ride this, but I can't get on it. I can't get on it at all. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. Yay! I'm gonna be riding a roller coaster. And I'm forever alone. I would never play with anyone. Wow. Okay, so we start here. We also need a minecart for this. So let me just grab myself a minecart. And let's get myself some minecarts. What's this? Okay, I guess we can only get one at a time. Okay. I'm not gonna stay creative the whole time. Riding it. Put myself back in survival. Make it more fun. I kind of want to get a good view for you guys. So let me go in video. Let me go in the third person back. There we go. Let's go. Oh, really slow. Oh my god. Like, I'm lagging so bad. I don't know if you guys will see it in the video, but like, I'm gonna be lagging so bad. I should actually start doing my stuff on computer or Xbox. I like doing it on mobile games because it's easier to edit. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. Real fun. I wish I went up higher so I could see, like, so you guys can see the whole map. And we're done. I want my minecart back as well. I'm just gonna do the whole video on this. I'm gonna do the whole video on this view. I can't even break the minecart. I can't even break the minecart, man. Why can't I break the minecart? Don't forget it. Buy minecart. You're staying there forever. So, let's see what else they have. Ooh, that looks fun. What's this? I don't know what it is, so let's just get out of here. Half of these places you can't really play, they're just here for, oh, it's a bathroom, of course. Yeah, yeah, like I was saying, half of these stages you can't really play. They're just here for show. It says to be continued on some of them. Okay. I think we're going up high, so you guys may be able to see some of the park. Yes, you see that there are lots of roller coasters. Oh, there's a beach, and I got stuck. Good job, creator. Good job. Well, let's just get a view from here. You can see. Yep. Let's just get out of here. Oh my god. Let's see. I may die, but I'm just going to be back at the start, so I don't really care. Respawn. Where am I? What is that? Where am I? What is this? Okay, I see the funnel land, but what just happened to me? I die and end up over here. Oh, my whole bed was destructed, I remember. I broke it. Okay, I see rides over here, but how and why am I over here? Oh my god, that ride looks so fun. Oh my god, that looks fun. Where's this place at right now? There are just random boats in the water. Wow. Great map, creator. Great map. Oh my god. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, I have to find the entrance to that roller coaster. And then that's how I'm going to end off this episode today. I really do not know how to get there. That ride looks so awesome. Really confused what just happened too. Oh my god, I just ran super fast. I have no idea where I'm going. I have a feeling I'm going somewhere. Oh my god, I run up super fast. This is the entrance of roller coaster. Oh god, I think this is the entrance to the roller coaster. Of course the creator does this to us. Oh my god. He has a chest. And there's no... Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Oh wait, yeah. This is not console. I actually have to get next to it and push ride. Right, there we go. Take up stuff. Just gonna ride in it. Whoa, here we go. Here we go. Whoa. Oh my god. What the heck just happened? That was awesome, but what just happened? I'm pretty sure if I was in Survivor, I would have died from that. But whatever just happened, that was awesome. No, what the heck just happened? Thank God for extra minecarts. This whole thing is just going super long. Let's just ride it. Let's just... Can I just ride? Can I just ride, please? Can I never get a ride? What? Okay, this is definitely... I'm just gonna stay just like this. Something just happened. I don't know what happened, but whatever. Let's go. Just hope that minecart. Okay, I'm not sure what is going on. Whatever's going on is really killing me. Let's just stay like this the whole time. Okay, it's going well. It's going well. I guess that was the minecart that completed itself. I'm not sure. But at least we're going up now. We can finally enjoy this roller coaster. No, 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 no. Don't send me down.